This is a video of the unit that they sent us. This is the problem. This here is very weak, tinny-like product. Look, and you can hear, and you can see this here has no strength. This here, no strength. If you expect that to be held up on an outside building, nothing, just tin, very thin, tinny construction, very bad. Can't rely on this on an outside building. Look, all corners are bent. This metal here is just bent over the corners, and it's just tinned. This is what a normal light should look like. Good, strong quality, doesn't bend, not like this one, very, very flimsy. This all bends. This will not take storms in New Zealand. This will not be good enough for outside use. Very poor construction. See, even gaps for water to get in. Just very, look, very bad. You can see, look, just tinny. The pictures showed solid, decent construction. This is what I was expecting.